I think one of the things that a mentor and a mentee can do together is really try and understand what it's like to be taught by that student teacher. So it's not impossible, and in fact it's quite interesting to give the students, the pupils, a role in helping generate that knowledge, that intelligence. So the video is just one example. You can have pupils acting as co-observers. You can have them keeping tally charts, for example, of what sorts of questions are asked and to whom. You can have maybe 3 or 4 pupils in the lessons completing, this sounds silly, but kind of almost smiley charts, confidence charts. So in the course of this 1-hour lesson, this is how I was feeling, or this is how my friends were feeling. And actually, the greater the degree of intelligence you can feed into the mentoring session, sometimes that intelligence coming from the pupils directly, the better. So a final example of that would be to adopt some of the lesson study approaches, where the mentor observes the lesson, but following on from that, they conduct a short discussion with a small group of pupils about what have you learned, how did you learn, what did the student teacher help you to do, what was working for you, what wasn't working for you. And then the mentor is not relying simply on their own observations or their own judgments, but they're actually hearing from the pupils themselves about how they've experienced the lesson, and then taking those conversations, the evidence from those conversations, into the mentoring feedback. Lesson feedback can be quite powerful.